Okay, here is a question and the problem, and the question is to find the area of this shape. Now the first thing to do is to find the sides that are not indicated. You can see that every side here is indicated except these two sides. Here is not indicated as well as this side. So first of all, let's find this side. For us to do that, we can use this side to find it. You can see that from here to here is giving us 4 cm. From here to here is giving us 4 cm. Also from here to here is giving us 4 cm. If I trace this side to the end, and this side also to the end, and then this one is already completed. So you can see that the length of this side from here, from this point to this point, will be equal to the length from this point to this point. So from here to here should be 4 cm, because the opposite sides of a rectangle, assume that this is a rectangle, okay, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, so this should be 4 cm as well. Then the same thing goes with this. Since here is 4 cm, the opposite side from this point to this point will also be 4 cm. So this is 4 cm as well. So this from this point to this point should be 8 cm. Now we have one part left. Now you can also see that from here to here is 4 cm. That means that the opposite side from this point to this point is also 4 cm. So altogether 4 times 3 is 12. That means that this side alone is 12 cm. Now we have this side left. For us to find this side, we're going to look at the length of this side, which is 18 cm, and the length of the sides that we have, like from here to here, we know it as 5.5 cm, and from here to here is also 5.5 cm. If I trace this line, this point, if I complete it to form a complete rectangle with this side, okay, so I'm looking for here, okay, so the length from here to here should be the sum of the length from here to here and the length from here to here, okay, because if I complete this one as well, you see that the length of this side, the length of this given side and this side must be equal, because the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if here is 5.5, then here should be 5.5. So 5.5 and 5.5 should give you 11. Okay, that means that from here to here is 11 cm. So if from this point to this point is 11 cm, then from this point to this point should be the length of the opposite sides minus this smaller side. Okay, because this length and this length must be equal. Reason is that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if from here to here is 18, from here to here is also 18. Now, since from here to here is 11, the remaining part should be 18, which is the full length minus 11. And 18 minus 11 is 7 cm. So this side is 7 cm. Okay. Now, having found the missing sides, the next thing is to start finding the areas of the separate shapes we have formed, you can see that I've splitted this whole shape into three. Okay, this one being the first one, you can call it area 1. You can call this one area 2. You can call this one area 3. So let's start with area 1. Remember that the sum of area 1 and area 2, that is area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3, will give you the area of this whole shape. So area 1 now should be the length times the width, which is 4 times 7, and that gives you 28 square cm. Area 2 should be the length of this second, that's area 2, the length times the width. The length is what? We already know that from here to here is 5 cm, and from here to here should be 7 cm because this length and this length are equal. So here is 7 cm and 7 and 5, the sum of 7 and 5 is 12.5. So the area of this area 2 should be 12.5. You can call it 12.5. So it should be 12.5 times 4. And that should be 0. This is 0, and this is 8. So we have point. 4 times 2 is 8, and 2 is 10. So we have 0, and then you have 5. So this is 50 square cm. You can check this out to see if I'm correct, but I think I'm correct. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, and then write 0 and carry 2, and then 4 times 2 is 8 plus the 2 is 10. You write 0 and carry 1, and then 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So area 2 should be 50.0 square cm. Then the last one is the area 3, which is this one, and the length, as you can see, is 18 cm. You can also get it from here, adding 5.5, 5.5, and 7, it should be 18. So the width is also 4 cm. So the area of this area 3 is 18 times 4. And that should be 72 square cm. So we have area 3 as 72 square cm. Now the area of the whole shape should be 28 plus 12.5 plus 72. If you add everything up, you have 112.5. So it should be 112.5 square cm. That should be the area of the whole shape. Okay. So bring down 5, and 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Write 2 and carry 1. Okay. Then have 3. Then have 4. Then have 11. So this is the solution to this problem.